Hey guys, so welcome to creating a receipt with Java. I'm really excited because I want to just kind of start working on some different projects and I want to share it with um, anyone who's willing to look. So here we are, we're going to start this new project and I want to show from the very beginning how this is going to get started. So start a new Java project. I'm just going to call it receipt, um, and then we want to make sure that we have our latest uh, environment JRE setup, which we do. So we're just going to finish and go on. So if you just double click here, then, or right click there, then we're going to create, you can call it receipt. This is going to be the class name. We can get more in the future into what a class is and how all of that works. But for us to get started, I just want you to create a class. And then make sure you also check this box, and it's going to make sure that you have a uh, main class as well, or main method. That's what it is. So here we go. We have this is the basic to any Java program out there. Because it had to auto-generate that, it's going to have that comment, so just feel free to get rid of it. In case someone doesn't know, a comment just allows you to add some extra information for you in the future or for other developers later on looking to code, and so just you can just delete that. So here we're going to create a printout to the console. Really just means that the computer's going to talk back to us and print what we want to print. I tried to do a shortcut here and it clearly messed up. I want this to be very raw, and so people know that no one's perfect programming the first time. Even someone who, like me, has done a 4-year degree and even works in the field, I still make mistakes here and there. But if you do have a capital SY, or capital S and then YS, uh, and then out, and then if you press Control Space, it'll auto complete the rest of it, and that'll be very helpful. So we just click Hello World, boom, it's going to print it, and right down there at the bottom, that is Hello World. So that's how you get started. Uh, just so you know, what we did is we gave it the argument or the parameter, a string, and the string was just Hello World. So we're going to go and elaborate a little bit more on that by giving it a whole bunch of those and letting it print out a whole receipt. So we're going to start by calling it YouTube Store. Name it whatever you want. It could be your name. Just name it whatever you want. So we're going to do another one. And this is a receipt. So we're going to tell the customer, thank you. How about we tell them thank you for shopping with us. Great. So now we are going to just make a few more, put some items on there, a few more lines. And we're going to get into a little bit of ways that you can add what's called white space, either a space or a tab. As you saw, either you can just press the space bar within the string, but there are also some other special reserved characters and combination of characters that will allow you to get the same result. For instance, here, if we do \t, that is a tab. So it's going to say item, have one tab of space, and then cost. And then we're going to make make a list of some items that we might find in a store. So there we go. We're going to add milk for $2.54. And how about some juice for $3.21? Really, the names and the cost price is arbitrary. You can put whatever you would like in there. Let's throw in some candy. I'm gonna say for $1.99. And hey, it's YouTube, so we're gonna throw in a computer, and we're gonna say that it is, let's say $500. And like any good receipt, we're gonna put in the total amount spent as well. So I'm gonna do some quick calculations, make sure this is right. And it comes out to $507.74. And then just to show that the receipt's over, we're going to throw in a line there to show that it's over. So if we click the triangle play button again, then we can see that we have YouTube store, thank you for shopping with us, item cost, milk, the price, juice, candy, computer with the total. Now you see that the computer has it with the cost, has the cost pushed out. This is because the R pushed into that column of space, so the tab went to the next tab over. So we could either shorten computer somehow, or just reduce it, or we can go through and add backslash T to the other ones, and then they will line up. And while we're at it, we might as well add some more dashes at the bottom to make the line a little longer. So there you have it. We have created a little receipt program. Next, we're going to start using some methods and some variables to make this a lot more interactive and a lot more reusable than what we have here. Thanks, guys.